How does one clean a vacuum cleaner without feeling like it's some kind of paradox? Have you ever found yourself in the peculiar situation of needing to clean your vacuum cleaner only to be met with a sense of irony? Cleaning a device designed to clean your home can indeed feel like a paradoxical task. Yet, ensuring your vacuum is free of dust and debris is crucial for its optimal performance. In this post, we will explore ways to clean a vacuum cleaner effectively without encountering that perplexing paradox. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to maintaining a spotless vacuum for a sparkling clean home. Understanding the vacuum cleaner paradox. Ever wondered why it feels odd to clean a vacuum cleaner that's already doing its job of cleaning your home? This curious situation is known as the vacuum cleaner paradox. It's all about the strange feeling you get when you clean something that's meant to clean. Crazy, right? But it's true. Your vacuum needs a bit of love and attention so it can keep doing its job well. Let's explore why this feels so weird and how to make it less of a hassle. Exploring the dilemma. Why does this task feel so ironic? Well, it comes down to how we think about cleaning and the tools we use. 1. Perception of cleaning tools. We see vacuum cleaners as the ultimate solution to dirt and dust. 1. They're supposed to clean things, not get dirty themselves. 1. When they do, it feels like they're betraying their purpose. 2. Efficiency mindset. Cleaning the cleaner feels like doubling the work. 2. You're spending time and effort on a job that should have been simplified by the appliance. 2. It's almost like washing the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. 3. Procrastination. This mindset often leads to putting off the task. 3. When you perceive something as paradoxical or secondary, it's easy to neglect. But this procrastination can cause your vacuum cleaner to work less efficiently over time, defeating the purpose of having one. Unveiling the solution. Now don't worry. Cleaning your vacuum cleaner is actually pretty easy and super important for keeping your home dirt-free. Here's how you can tackle this without feeling like you're stuck in a loop. 1. Routine maintenance is key. Just like you routinely wash your dishes or do laundry, make cleaning your vacuum part of your regular cleaning schedule. 1. That way it becomes a habit rather than a burden. 2. Simple steps. Big impact. Taking apart your vacuum and cleaning the components doesn't have to be complicated. 2. You can find easy-to-follow guides and videos online that show you step-by-step how to do it. Hygienic living. Keeping your vacuum clean ensures that it can efficiently pick up dust and dirt, keeping your home cleaner overall. 3. Think of it as giving your cleaning buddy a little TLC so it can perform at its best. So next time you feel the irony creeping in, remember, cleaning your vacuum cleaner isn't just a necessary task, it's a smart move to keep your home sparkling clean. Essential tools for the task. Cleaning your vacuum cleaner doesn't have to be a daunting chore. With the right tools at your disposal, you can easily tackle this task and ensure your vacuum stays in top condition for optimal performance. Gathering the right cleaning supplies. To effectively clean your vacuum cleaner, you'll need a few basic tools and supplies that are likely already lying around your home. These essential items include 1. Soft bristled brush. A soft bristled brush is perfect for gently dislodging dirt and debris from the nooks and crannies of your vacuum cleaner without causing any damage. 2. Microfiber cloths. These are ideal for wiping down the exterior of your vacuum cleaner and removing any dust buildup. 2. They are gentle yet effective in capturing dust particles. 3. Cleaning agents. Depending on the type of vacuum cleaner you have, you may need cleaning agents such as mild detergent or vinegar solution to clean specific parts like filters and dust bins. 4. Screwdriver. A screwdriver will come in handy for removing any screws or fasteners that hold different components of your vacuum cleaner together during the cleaning process. 5. Water. In some cases, a bit of water may be required to clean washable filters or remove stubborn dirt from certain parts of the vacuum. By having these supplies readily available, you can streamline the cleaning process and ensure that your vacuum cleaner remains in top condition for efficient cleaning sessions. Understanding the vacuum components. To effectively clean your vacuum cleaner, it's essential to understand the key components that require regular maintenance and cleaning. These main parts include 1. Filters. Filters play a crucial role in trapping dust and allergens. 1. Over time, they can get clogged and reduce the suction power of your vacuum. 1. Regularly cleaning or replacing filters is essential for optimal performance. 2. Dust bins or bags. Emptying and cleaning the dust bin or replacing bags regularly is important to prevent odors and maintain suction efficiency. 3. Brush rolls. The brush roll or beater bar is responsible for agitating and picking up dirt from carpets. 3. Cleaning this component ensures it remains free of hair and debris for effective cleaning. 4. Hoses and attachments. Check hoses and attachments for any blockages or debris accumulation. 4. Use a brush or cloth to clean them thoroughly for uninterrupted suction power. By familiarizing yourself with these key components and their cleaning requirements, you can ensure that your vacuum cleaner operates efficiently and prolong its lifespan, making cleaning a more effective and less paradoxical task. Step-by-step cleaning guide. Ensuring your vacuum cleaner sparkles as it cleans is essential for maintaining its efficiency and prolonging its lifespan. Follow this step-by-step guide to keep your vacuum in top-notch condition without feeling caught in a cleaning paradox. Preparation before cleaning. Before diving into the cleaning process, ensure your safety by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the power source. Safety first! Next, carefully disassemble the various parts of your vacuum according to the manufacturer's instructions. This step will make the cleaning process more thorough and effective. Cleaning the filters and dust cup. The filters and dust cup are like the lungs of your vacuum, keeping the air clean and the suction strong. Regularly cleaning these components is crucial for optimal performance. Carefully remove the filters and dust cup, then gently wash them with mild detergent or a vinegar solution. Allow them to dry completely before reassembling. Remember, a clean filter means cleaner floors. Maintaining the brushes and rollers. The brushes and rollers of your vacuum cleaner work hard to pick up dirt and debris from your floors. To ensure they continue to do their job effectively, regularly clean and maintain them. Use a soft bristled brush to remove any hair or thread tangled in the brushes. Check for any obstructions that might hinder their movement. Keeping these components clean will prevent them from becoming tangled and maintain optimal performance. Dealing with lingering odors. No one wants their home to smell like a dirty vacuum cleaner. To tackle lingering odors, sprinkle some baking soda inside the dust cup or bag before reassembling. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that can help neutralize any unpleasant smells. Additionally, you can add a few drops of essential oils to a cotton ball and place it inside the vacuum to leave a fresh scent as you clean. By following these step-by-step cleaning instructions, you can banish dirt, odors, and any sense of paradox from your cleaning routine. Keep your vacuum cleaner in top shape and it will continue to keep your home spick and span. Happy cleaning. Tips to avoid the paradoxical feeling. Do you find yourself grappling with the conundrum of cleaning a device designed to clean your home? Fear not as we unveil practical tips to navigate this paradoxical situation and transform the chore of cleaning your vacuum cleaner into a seamless routine. Regular maintenance schedule. Establishing a regular maintenance schedule for your vacuum cleaner is key to ensuring it functions optimally without invoking the paradoxical sensation. Setting aside specific times for maintenance tasks can help integrate vacuum cleaner cleaning into your routine seamlessly. Consider allocating a designated day each month to perform maintenance checks and cleaning procedures. By incorporating this schedule into your calendar, you'll transform the paradox into a predictable and manageable task. Consistent upkeep will not only maintain your vacuum's efficiency, but also reduce the daunting aura surrounding its cleaning. Incorporating cleaning as a routine. Integrating vacuum cleaner maintenance into your regular home cleaning routines can alleviate the paradoxical feeling associated with cleaning a cleaning appliance. Instead of treating vacuum maintenance as a separate and burdensome task, consider weaving it into your existing cleaning rituals. For instance, before commencing your weekly cleaning spree, dedicate a few minutes to inspecting and tidying up your trusty vacuum cleaner. By linking vacuum maintenance with your routine home cleaning activities, you'll normalize the process and view it as an essential aspect of preserving a clean living environment. Embracing this approach will not only streamline your cleaning regimen, but also foster a sense of harmony between tidying up your home and caring for your cleaning equipment. Embark on this journey of harmonizing cleaning paradoxes with practical scheduling and routine integration, ensuring that your vacuum cleaner remains a reliable ally in maintaining a pristine home environment. Let's banish the paradox and embrace the beauty of a consistently maintained cleaning companion. Final thoughts. Maintaining your vacuum cleaner doesn't have to feel like a perplexing paradox. By incorporating regular cleaning into your home maintenance routine, you can ensure that your trusty cleaning companion remains efficient and reliable. Remember, a clean vacuum cleaner not only keeps your home sparkling, but also prolongs the lifespan of your appliance. Embrace the simplicity. Cleaning your vacuum cleaner is a simple task that can have a significant impact on the cleanliness of your home. Just like any other tool, your vacuum requires care and attention to function optimally. Instead of viewing it as a paradox, think of it as a way to enhance the performance of a vital household appliance. Transform the task. Turn the chore of cleaning your vacuum cleaner into a satisfying routine. By setting aside dedicated time for maintenance and following a structured cleaning guide, you can streamline the process and make it a seamless part of your home care regimen. Regular maintenance not only benefits your vacuum, but also elevates your overall cleaning experience. A clean home, a happy home. A well-maintained vacuum cleaner not only removes dirt and dust effectively, but also creates a healthier living environment for you and your family. Embrace the act of cleaning your vacuum as a way to promote cleanliness, hygiene, and well-being in your home. Banish the paradoxical feeling and welcome the satisfaction of a spotless living space. Remember, regular maintenance is the key to a long-lasting and efficient vacuum cleaner. So next time you embark on the task of cleaning your cleaning tool, do it with pride and enthusiasm, knowing that you are contributing to a cleaner and healthier home environment. Happy cleaning! Conclusion. Cleaning your vacuum cleaner doesn't have to feel like a mind-boggling paradox. By incorporating simple maintenance steps into your routine, you can ensure that your cleaning companion remains efficient and reliable. A well-maintained vacuum not only keeps your home sparkling but also enhances the lifespan of your appliance. Embrace the simplicity of caring for your vacuum cleaner. It's a small task with a big impact on your home's cleanliness. Transform the act of cleaning into a gratifying routine that elevates your overall cleaning experience. A clean home is a happy home, so banish that paradoxical feeling and revel in the satisfaction of a spotless living space. Regular maintenance is the secret to a long-lasting and effective vacuum cleaner. Next time you tackle the task of cleaning your cleaning tool, do it with pride, knowing that you're contributing to a healthier and cleaner home environment. Happy cleaning!